Good luck. ขอให้โชคดี Looking at these tones, many of these words you already know. ขอ is rising, comes down and then goes up. ขอ high, falling. โชค and then D, choke is falling. So ขอ is rising, high is falling, choke is falling, and then D is flat tone, your normal voice.
ขอให้โชคดี ขอให้โชคดี ขอให้โชคดี
ขอให้โชคดี ขอให้โชคดี ขอให้โชคดี
ขอ means to ask or to request. ขอ If I wanted to ask for water, water being nam, high tone, I'd say ขอน้ำได้ไหม ขอ to request. In this case, we're requesting that you have good luck. Hi, ขอ hi is I request to give. Hi is to give or to let have. So here we go. ขอ hi is to ask, to request, or to beg. I'm asking you if I can give you something. ขอ hi. ขอ hi โชค luck. โชค luck. D flat tone, right? And of course you remember D meaning good. So ขอ hi โชคดี means I ask to offer you good luck. But you can also say to somebody, hey, โชคดี, when they're leaving. You say it as a goodbye, you can give them good luck. But you can also ขอให้โชคดี or โชคดี. Either is absolutely fine.
ขอให้โชคดี ขอให้โชคดี ขอให้โชคดี
ขอให้โชคดี ขอให้โชคดี ขอให้โชคดี
And of course, you're going to want to end that sentence with a krap or a ka, depending upon your sex. All right, very nice. Repeat after me. ขอให้โชคดี ขอให้โชคดี ขอให้โชคดี
The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, TheThaiLanguage.com. TheThaiLanguage.com.